take this for you. I will just, without asking any questions, just hand over the mic to you.
Thank you so much. I'm very, very overwhelmed and very emotional at this moment. Uh, Thank you to all the people who've actually come here to honor me. When I look at Mohinder ji, I am a big fan of you right from the World Cup days, and we've always stayed connected. There is Kumar Sanu, my favorite singer. Dilip Saab, I love whenever I see him batting, I said you're the best, and he keeps on smiling. Yaar, kyun itni tareef kar rahe ho? And you have to come to the party. Subhash Ghai Saab just said something very emotional. कि in the repertoire of songs आपने यादें का music नहीं रखा, और मैं I will sing that live only because I also love that song, and it was my dream to work with Subhash ji, and that was realized in the film Yadein. And we are standing beside a huge legend in terms of Sameer, one of the most prolific lyric writers who's given his best to me. And in the 90s we have done so much work, and you know, so many people here. I don't know, Shad Bhai just came and went away. I don't know where my director Sharad ji has come or not. Where is my director? Sharad ji, please, I love you. And Varun, my lyric writer, is also here. I think I want you people to come up. My director of Dam Laga Ke Aisha, you have to, I'll be calling you. My friends from Delhi, Nikhil is here, and so many people. Rahul is here. And at this point of time, you know, my wife and my daughter, where is Anmol? Yeah, there she is. But I want to really, really first thank everybody here. The names I know, the names I don't know, but at this point of time, I really want to thank one person who's quietly standing up, Mr. Anirudh Dhut. I want you people to really clap for him. There is this one story that goes with Anirudh Saab, and which I want to share with you. He called me as a chief guest in Delhi many, many years ago, and how I associate, you know, my association started in a very emotional manner. I walk into Delhi, I've just got this flight, has landed, it says the function has started. I walk in there, and what do I see? You know, I didn't have the time. He said, we have to change clothes here and there, somewhere in a green room. I changed my clothes and I walked in. This function started about 7 o'clock. Till 1 p.m. in the night, I noticed the first time I was meeting him, he refused to play any song. All he was playing over my songs from the 90s till today. And he said, I just want to play Annu Malik's song. And that brought tears to my eyes. That was kind of a respect which I always craved for. And this man gave it to me. And when I won the Pride of the Industry Award, thank you. When I won the Pride of the Industry Award, he came running to me. Say, I was waiting for this moment. I remember Sameer Sata is right somewhere. I don't know where Sameer, my friend, is right here. Amal Ghana Singh is also here. Sameer, I remember, came and told me, party banti hai. And I remember, party hogi. And he came and told me, Annu, let's have a party. And suddenly after 5 days, I was given the Best Composers Award. Now that is a very special award for me, because I was, you know, voted as the best composer amongst the best. You had a beautiful musical score of Bajirao Mastani. You had Tamasha, you had multiple composers in Roy, you had Shankar Ehsaan Loy and Dil Dhadakne Do. And I must tell you, I shared this speech, and I'm going to share it here, but Subhash ji understands, he's a man who's made such brilliant films. There was a time, you know, when I was ruling, there came a time when I was actually at home drooling, wondering, our next meal kahan se aane wala, only position. And this is the way the industry works for everybody. I don't have a story to tell. Everyone has a story to tell. But at this point of time, I knocked on everyone's door, and then I got an angel on my shoulder in the name of Aditya Chopra. And there is this director who made this brilliant film, and this lyric writer who gave me the best words, Sharad Kataria. Please give him a big hand, Sharad ji, and Varun. So, what an honor. And now when I mentioned lyric writer, we have Prasun Joshi. Give him a hand, please, everybody. Here we have Prasun Joshi, sir. Thank you, sir. And this is very special because the Best Composers Award was given to me by none other than Prasun Joshi, and he gave me an emotional speech, and he told me, Annu Malik, you deserve it. And he said something. He said, what a fight back at your age. And that was one of the biggest awards coming from Prasun Joshi. Sir, I will never forget that moment. That was a beautiful moment. Thank you so much, sir. Coming down to what Subhash ji said, in the repertoire of songs, Subhash ji, aapki agar ijazat ho, to wo mukhada aapko gaana padega. A song written by one of the greatest writers of our time, Anand Bakshi Saab. Of course, when I made this song, I remember the scene. Subhash ji ne bola, yaar, tum ye jo baja leke baithe ho idhar, ye baja nahi chahiye mujhe, ये मुझे गिटार नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ढोलक नहीं चाहिए, मुझे तबला का, पर सर क्या चाहिए, गाना कैसे बनेगा? तुम हवा से निकालो कुछ, मतलब हवा से कैसे निकला? बट तुम यहाँ बैठो आज सुभाष जी सामने, I was desperate for the film, And we had these words, and I started humming. And that song is hummed even today. नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं या बातें हैं. I repeat. नगमे हैं, ओ शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं, बातें भूल जाती हैं, यादें याद आती हैं, ये यादें किसी दिलो जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती हैं. अरे यादें यादें यादें. Thank you so much. That was Subhashi. And I don't want to get off without humming a song which has given me all this glory of Aditya Chopra Sahab. My director silently बोला मुझे मत बुलाना, and my lyric writer Varun there, who just recently won all the awards. इसमें से एक मुझे नहीं मिला था जी का. But here it goes. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे. है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. पापन किधर है? पापन हमारा सिंगर किधर है? Where is Papan? Papan has to. Papan, come here. Come here. Come here, Papan. He's the one who sang the song, Subhaji. I want you to come here, Papan. And here comes Sadhna ji also. Give her a big hand, everybody. My come Sadhna upar hai. And now before Papan sings this song again, आजा Papan upar aa ja. Shanu wants to sing Dard Karara. Oh nahi.
Of course.
Come on, Shanu and Sadhna. Excuse me.
Come on, Kumar ji.
Go for it.
तू मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा, लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा. तू मेरी है प्रेम की भाषा, लिखता हूँ तुझे रोज जरा सा. कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकस, कोरे कोरे कागज जिन पे बेकस, लिखता हूँ एक खुलासा. तुमसे मिले
में उठा दर्द करारा,
जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा. अरे तुमसे मिले दिल में उठा दर्द करारा, जीने लगा वो ही जिसे इश्क ने मारा. Superb, Shanu and Sadhna, superb. Papan, did you? Come here. I want people to meet Papan, who's really sung this beautiful song. Papan, just sing the Mukhra of Moh Moh Ke Dhage.
ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे. है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा, जो बादलों में से गुजरे. ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे.
तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. कैसे ये अनकहा सब सुना.
तू तो गजल पागल तूने मुझको है चुना तू दिन सा है मैं रात आना दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे कोई ठोह ठोह ना लगे किस तरह गिरा
Thank you, Sharad ji. Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much.
What a beautiful voice, what a beautiful composition. Sassoon ji, हम आपसे भी कुछ सुनना चाहेंगे बिल्कुल.